distinguishes the ideas as the research grows. Public speaking shines and the confidence flows.
Sir, I have called you here to discuss something very important about your son. What's that, ma'am? Sir, your son is extremely good at his studies. He's good at his behavior also. But I am concerned about his speaking style. One, he hardly speaks. Second, he does not speak clearly, which affects other students also. I would recommend you to see a doctor for speech therapy. I will see you later. Greetings. I am Yug Kumawat. Can you relate this conversation with Albert Einstein? He started speaking very late and hardly used to speak. And later on, he went to become one of the most famous scientists of all time. Well, this boy did not become as great as Albert Einstein so far, but he overcame his stammering problems. Do you know, this boy wasn't alone. 80 million people worldwide still stutter, including Dugu, King George VI and many more. Same in this case, his parents decided not to see a doctor, instead trying some home remedies such as consuming water consumed by a parrot. You know how parrot speaks flawlessly. So his parents thought he will also speak flawlessly. But somehow it did not seem to be working. So his parents did some scientific research. Here's the output. While stuttering cannot be completely avoided, here are some techniques to overcome it and reduce it. Number 1, relaxation. Deep breathing and yoga, meditation reduces stress. Number 2, slow speech. Practice speaking at a slower pace to ease pronunciation. Third, pause. Take brief pauses before speaking to recollect your thoughts. Number 4, easy onset. Start speaking with a gentle and a relaxed tone. Next, practice. Regularly engage in speech activities like public speaking, speaking aloud, or speaking in front of a friend may help. Next, stretching. Prolong sounds and syllables to maintain smooth flow. Now, let me tell you why stuttering happens at the first place. Number 1, genetic factors. Stuttering often runs in families. For example, if someone in your family stutters, you are more likely to stutter too. Researchers have found many genes related to stuttering. Number 2, stress and anxiety. While not a direct cause, stress and anxiety may cause stuttering. For some individuals, speaking in front of many people or talking to strangers. Number 3, emotional reactions. Some individuals may develop a fear of speaking due to past negative experience, which can lead to worsened stuttering. Now, let me tell you the story of Dugu. During his childhood, Dugu struggled immense embarrassment and ridicule for his stammering problems. It was a lonely battle. Kids used to bully him. They used to make fun of him. And he did not like to go to school because of it. He used to give excuses for not going to school, such as he's sick or having a stomachache. same happens with other kids also. They get bullied. They do not get equal support. But this child was lucky as his parents supported him. And do you know, they are present today right in this room. All I want to tell you is as a society today also we find it difficult to accept people who are disabled, to accept people who stammer. They do not get equal opportunities. Do you think it's their mistake? No, right? All I want to tell you is, instead of discouraging them, let's be a support pillar for them. Let's be kind to them and give them equal opportunities. By now, you must have understood that I am talking about myself. I also struggled from stuttering. I also used to stutter. My teachers told to my parents for a speech therapy. Me, my father and my sister, we used to practice impromptu speaking almost every single day. I joined Gavel's club with my sister, and that environment changed so much for me. And today, from a stammerer, I am a TED speaker. Do you know, there is a day for Dugu, Kinjot 6, me and all those 80 million people who stutter. World Stuttering Day. That is on 22nd October. That is day after tomorrow. World Stuttering Day was started by the International Stuttering Association in 1998. It was started so that people could understand how people who stutter face their problem, and the people could understand that they can ask for help. My dear friends, challenge can be anything. It's not about the challenge. It's about how we approach it. It's about how we deal it with. Now, you might be thinking that Dugu is a made-up boy I made to add to my speech. You might be thinking that he is not real. But no, he is none other than Hrithik Roshan. Yes, and how Hrithik Roshan faced his problem and today is so big superstar, I know. One day, you will be standing in a queue waiting to take my autograph. Thank you.